Here we have the Bakcou Grizzley electric scooter. What I really like about it, okay, it's very solidly built. The people at Bakcou, I called them up over in Utah. They were very helpful on the phone. I told them what I needed, and they were very easy to deal with, very informative, extremely helpful, gave me all the information I needed. So if you're on the fence about it, I do think they're a great company, and it's worth dealing with them over some, China import company that has no support, So anyway, enough said about that. I like this, very high quality. Everything about it, putting it together, was very high quality. I'm happy with it. It's a little bigger than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it would be more compact, but I'm happy with it. After putting it through the tests, after riding it for about a day, I put 7 miles on it, and it used about 30% battery life. It has a 21 amp hour battery, 48 volt, and I believe it's more than sufficient for a day going out hunting. The reason I got it is because I want to go stealthily into the woods. It has no chain, okay? It has no pedals. If I'm going on some uneven ground, or if I'm going over obstacles, some small obstacles, one of the advantages of a scooter over a pedal bike, for me anyway, is I could jump on and off of this very easily. Okay, could also jump off when I hit a steep incline and just walk it with a power assist mode. And so hills aren't really an issue for me. So this thing is extremely silent. It's heavy duty, has a 260-pound weight capacity. Funny, there's another model, a Timberwolf, underneath this one that has a 750-watt motor that has a bigger weight capacity. It holds 300 pounds, probably because of the suspension. It's not that heavy, okay? I think it's 80 pounds. To be honest, it feels lighter than that. It's a little bigger than what I thought it was going to be. However, after using it, I really like it. I would not downsize at this point. It's perfect for me. I'll go over a few of the things that I like. There's no chain, no pedals. I could jump on and off of it. If I hit a hill or an incline, or anytime I'm not comfortable balancing on it, I can just put it in a power assist mode, have all my stuff on here. I'm gonna expand this basket a little, maybe put a milk crate on the back, secure it down with zip ties. But I could put all my weight on the e-bike, the e-scooter, and walk up the hill with a power assist mode, or walk through wherever I'm not comfortable riding it. So far, it's got plenty of power for, I would even say, 2 days of hunting before you have to charge it. It may be a game changer for going into the woods for me. It's silent, the electric, it has so many advantages. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any comments or questions, I'll do my best. And thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. My first impression, the build quality, the fit and finish look great. There are pre-drilled mounts for a front basket that you get separately. The standing platform is extremely sturdy, very easy to hop on and off, and it has zero flex to it. You could also see the heavy-duty rear suspension and the 1,000-watt Bafang hub motor. The control display is very clear and extremely easy to use. The heavy-duty aluminum platform also doubles as a skid plate, and it makes it really easy to be stable while riding over all kinds of terrain. It has a sturdy rear rack and also comes with a front headlight and front and back fenders. This is all the sound it makes when it operates. Now mind you, the microphone's only a few inches away from the motor right now. Although this scooter is capable of going 20 miles an hour, my intention is to use it at very slow speeds, walking speeds, and sneaking around the woods. Once I put the basket on the front and I put my tree stand on the back and zip tie it in, you could even use this in either walk assist mode or just very slow mode and walk with it if you had to. If it's up a steep grade and you had to walk, it's so easy, so much easier than carrying your stuff. When it's time to hunt with this, I thought about where I'm going to put either my crossbow, my gun, or my bow. And since it's not a bicycle, since I'm standing up on this, I could just carry it with a shoulder strap, just like I'm hunting. So that's the end of that. So I'm going to give that a try right now. This thing, I've been playing with it for a few hours, and just around here on my property I put about 4 miles on it. This thing is a lot of fun, especially once you get the hang of it. It's a little bigger than I thought. I was surprised by the size of it. I thought it would be a lot more compact. However, I do like the 1000 watt. They make a Timberwolf, which is a size smaller, with a 750 watt. I like the 1000 watt for the power. I just want the power to get up the hill. It has a 260 pound capacity, and I'm gonna see how it works with all my gear getting to and from a spot. But right now, it's beautiful. I really like it. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Also, if you could share this with someone, it really helps me. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.